Hello everyone, welcome to another vlog for a day in the life of a window cleaner. Today it's going to be me, it's Matthew, my other son who's sat next to me, David, and also my wife's going to be working for the morning, and so is my other daughter Rachel, so it's a bit of a family affair. Right, back home now. I've just done the one with the solar panels and the conservatory roof. You probably saw hopefully the footage you got anyway, so I've got some footage. There was, I think it was 16 solar panels. I had to use my 35-foot pole to reach them, even though it's like a bungalow. And Matthew was doing the conservatory roof and I helped out once I'd done the solar panels. Those panels, when I first cleaned them, they were covered really bad in lichen. So I did some research and I did inform all the customer that the only way I could find getting it off is using a biocide, and GK Pro, when you look at it and on their website, it doesn't say you can't use it on solar panels. So I did phone them up and ask them, is it safe to, and they said yes. So I informed the customer that as well, but I told them still to look at the, is it manufactured data sheet, which they probably haven't got, because I said it will tell you what you can and can't use to clean it and what would void the warranty, but they were fairly old, I think is what they're saying, so they told me to do it anyway. So I biocided them, explained it will take a few months for the lichen to come off, but because I clean the windows every month, I said I'll do test bits, and when it looks like it's coming off all right, I'll give it a go, and that's what I did, and that's how I got them cleaned. So I've reaped the rewards from that this time, and it was good. They're in good nick, easy to clean once a year with the water fed pole, job done, and that's the way it worked. So I'm happy with that one, and because they're in my village, it was easy to keep going round and have a go on them solar panels like. So that was the method I used on that. Since then, obviously, there's other products out there that remove lichen as well. I know X-Line have got some, is it called, from Chemtech, that chemical company that provides that. But that's how I did it anyway. And the roof we've cleaned before, but we went over that, and obviously the side that's in the shade is going to be more greener than the other side. Synergy Pro, absolutely brilliant. I used that from the ground on the side I was doing, and I could see the amount of dirt running off the poly panels. It was amazing how well that works, but obviously in this sunshine you've got to be careful when you're using chemicals, so don't let it dry out. And you can't leave it on there as a dwell time, so just have a slightly stronger mixture, leave it on less and just scrub it off. And yeah, it was absolutely fine. And I got Matthew to go over what I've done, because I always tell him when you clean a conservatory roof, it's best done off a step ladder, because up and close you can see things better than when you're on the ground. And so he went over what I cleaned anyway, and that's that done. So now we're just going to switch the van round. We've got a gutter clear to do, and then a quote. Swap the van round, so all the window cleaning stuff that's behind the tank and close to my bulkhead, that's all taken out, and we've put all the gutter clear stuff in. And we've just realised it's not just a gutter clear, it's going to be windows and fascia softening gutters. So it's a bungalow opposite a school, shouldn't be too bad. We're going to go and do that. We just need to top up with a little bit more water to make sure we've got enough. So that should be a good job. And then, like you say, after that, we're on for the quote. So onwards and upwards. Right, that's it. It's me and Matthew done. We had a hard time trying to find the house to do the quote. It's quite tucked away and we're looking for names on a road or a lane. It's really busy with traffic because everyone's knocking off. So we come home and had to work out where it was, but managed to work it out. We've gone there, done the quote, got us a fine. So we've got a window clean booked in. And yeah, today, what have we done? It's been a funny day, mainly me talking more than videoing, but we got through it, job done. And yeah, that's it. So sun's out, it's going to be a good week. Nice way to start a new month as well, isn't it? So stay safe, like, subscribe, all the good stuff, and YouTube will stick a video up here for you to watch next. See you on the next one.